Have you ever pondered about the backbone of most modern programming languages? It's none other than C programming. From operating systems to game development, C programming plays a vital role. It's like the heart of the tech world, pumping life into many applications we use daily. Moreover, C programming serves as the stepping stone for other programming languages. Its syntax forms the blueprint for languages like Java, Python, and more. Grasping the basics of C programming can open up a whole new world of opportunities. Dive right into the core of C programming with a simple program, Hello World. A C program begins with the inclusion of necessary libraries. In our case, it's the standard input-output library, denoted as #include. Libraries are essentially pre-compiled code modules that we can use in our program. Next comes the heart of our program, the main function. It's the starting point of every C program. Our main function looks like this, int main. The int before main signifies that our function will return an integer value. Inside the main function, we write our commands. For our Hello World program, we use a function called printf from the standard library to print our message onto the screen. It looks like this. Printf, Hello World. Finally, we return 0 at the end of the main function, signaling that our program has ended without errors. Return 0. And there you have it, your very first C program that prints Hello World onto your screen. In the past couple of minutes, you've embarked on your journey into the world of C programming. We've underscored its significance, how it powers up everything from microcontrollers to operating systems. We've also demystified the structure of a C program, breaking it down into digestible parts: headers, main function, and statements. And finally, we've breathed life into a basic C program, a stepping stone in your coding adventure. Remember, every grand software project begins with simple lines of code. Keep exploring, keep coding.